Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So let's start. I'm going just to click play. So let's say, for instance, I need to add a text here. So you can see this one here. You can see the text too. I will click it. So then I will select there. Then maybe just type in my text how to create a dark roof in ArchiCAD. So I will just select my selection tool, just make it smaller to fit into the paper. Then I can just select everything. If I need to change the color of this text, I just need to come here to my effect controls, expand. You can see text, expand, and it's already how to create what I've typed. I can expand it. I can change the font to be italic. I can change it to be like this. I can change it into any font as I wish. So let me just use maybe italic. Then I can change here the color of my field. Let's say I want to use blue. Then okay. So let's see. So I can just go back, drag it back. I need to change my field color. Change it to blue. Then okay. So let's view. So that's how you add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you can't see this, you just need to expand. You can just again shrink. So if you like this video, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video like this one. Thanks.